Nice toasty buns. Yeah, this is the good stuff right here. Got the onions, red peppers, green peppers, and a little A1 sauce thrown in to season it up. Well, if you've made it this far, congratulations. Probably not too many people did. But what I would like for you to take away from this episode of The Truth is Viral is that I am just like you. I am struggling to raise my kids in a really messed up world. Where their idols are people like Paris Hilton and Snippy, what's her name? I eat hot dogs just like everybody else. I had a hard row to hoe in order to get to where I'm at now, where I can walk around and do things with my grandchildren like fish.
Grandpa, can you get out?
Sure, baby. I'm always happy to put a leech on my granddaughter's ball. That's what grandpas do. Yeah, he's my buddy, but he's also bait. But I can't just sit back and fish and eat hot dogs while people around the world are being killed when tyranny is knocking on our doorstep. So what are we going to learn from this episode? Number one, I'm not in this for the money. Number two, even when I'm laying on what I think may be my deathbed, I'm defiant. And I'm sure that they'll come up with a mental disorder called for something like that too. Never give up. Never surrender. Fight to your dying breath for what's right. You know, leave all that garbage to the globalist scumbags. We don't hurt people here. Not if the truth is viral. Our sole purpose is to save as many people as we can from what's coming. And I'll tell you, it's not going to be pretty. And the Department of Homeland Security knows it's not going to be pretty. Why do you think that they bought 1.4 billion rounds of ammunition? Why do you think Leon Panetta had the Marines in Afghanistan disarmed before he would, come into the room? They're afraid of the people, and they should be. Like the man said in Network, Peter Finch, we're mad as hell, and we're just not gonna take it anymore. We know what you're doing. And my part in this is to spread the truth. You won't find any violence on this channel. And all I want to do is wake people up. If that's a crime, well, I'm guilty. Thank you for watching Brats at Bobby's. This episode of The Truth is Viral is brought to you by Johnson Wieners. And as always, Semper Fi, God bless, and hoorah. I'm going to get to these brats before they get cold. I finally fed all the cubs. Now it's time for Daddy Bear to eat. Ooh. I cannot wait to dig into this. They didn't leave Daddy Bear much. Oh well. What can you say? It's all about the kids anyway. I know you're jealous.
Thank you for watching The Truth is Viral with your host, Bobby Powell. Make sure to follow The Apocalypse on Twitter at The Truth is Viral. Like The Truth is Viral on Facebook. Subscribe to Oldcore BLT 13 on YouTube. And if you can, please remember to donate to the cause via PayPal at www.bobpowell.blogspot.com.